Hands behind your back.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Hands behind your back.
I'm a normal person. They're breaking my arm.
Stand up.
Oh my God.
You're going to jail for public intoxication. All right? And resisting arrest, okay?
But what if this ruins my whole life?
It's not going to ruin your life.
On December 12, 2024, Nashville International Airport Police were dispatched to Gate C22 in the terminal after reports that a Southwest Airlines passenger had been denied boarding for being visibly intoxicated and disruptive. Officers arrived to find Kathleen Loura, 64, a Nashville resident, attempting to force her way onto the aircraft. She smelled strongly of alcohol and admitted to consuming wine before reaching the Southwest Airlines gate.
I didn't do anything wrong. Listen, I didn't do anything wrong. 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 Let me on the plane.
Relax.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Get that from her.
I didn't do anything wrong. It's not fair.
Hands behind your back.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Really?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Hands behind your back.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Hands behind your back.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Thank you. Welcome, welcome. Thank you.
I didn't do
Sorry about that.
Sit up. All right, listen.
Officer, you listening? Put it on. Come up. My family boarding.
Stand up.
Stand up, ma'am.
Relax, relax.
Stop! Stop! I just wanted to go home. Stop!
Relax, relax.
Stop! Stop!
Ma'am, stop. Stop.
Relax, please.
Continue boarding with the B group. B, 1 through 30, please. B, 1 through 30.
Okay? Sit up. Sit up. Stand up for me. Just get a wheelchair. Are you okay? Can you relax, okay? Relax, okay?
Seriously, why are you doing this to me? This isn't fair. This isn't fair. I was just supposed to go. Listen, stop! I was supposed to just go to my... I was supposed to just go on my flight. I'm a normal person. They're breaking my arm.
Stand up.
Oh my God.
Start walking.
I'm a person. I'm a normal person, please.
Start walking.
I just wanted to go home.
Okay? Stand up for it.
Listen, I know that you guys think that this is
Just start
crazy.
walking, okay?
Just look at it. Just look at it.
You all right?
Please, just look at it.
You all right?
I know that you see me. Please, my God. I know that you guys see me. Please, I was just trying to go home. Ow, you're breaking my arm. You're breaking my arm.
Go to the right.
You're breaking my arm.
Just sit her down.
Ow!
Sit her down.
You're breaking my arm.
Then walk. Let's go.
You're breaking my arms. Why is this okay?
Walk.
Why is this okay? Why is this okay?
Just start walking.
Listen, I shouldn't have had to do this. I was
Terminal Drive.
just going home.
Just stand up.
You're breaking my arm. You're breaking my arm.
Here, don't hold behind her. Let's put her in there. Let's put her in the wheelchair and take her down.
Breaking my arm. You are Please, God, please let me fit. Listen, you are breaking my arm. You are breaking my arm. They're breaking my arm. Please let me go. Please, my arms are killing me.
Well, start walking.
Jesus, please, 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 listen, ma'am, please, my arm,
All right, very careful.
my arm, please, my arms are hurting so bad, please, please let me go, please let me go, please let me go, my arms are hurting so bad, please let me go, my arms are hurting, please let me sit.
Are you gonna walk?
Please.
Start walking. Stand up.
Get up. Get up.
Please just give me a second.
No.
Just give me a second.
We're about to be by the car. Stand up.
Please, it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad.
All right, let's search her.
My arms. Please, sweetheart, look at my arms. Please look
We
at
are
my
right now.
arms.
Come on.
Please look at my arms.
Search her real quick.
Please look at my arms. I can't. It's not.
Hold on. Stop. He's got to search her.
Please take them off. Please, but listen. Please.
Start walking. I got it.
Please, listen. My arms. I can't feel my arms. Please, I'm asking you. Please, I'm begging you.
I was trying to fix the door, but I think it broke on the bottom, so I couldn't secure it.
I'm begging you.
There you go. Hold your feet in. Let me check your gloves.
But please, God, they're hurting so bad.
Stay seated.
Just take them off. Please, just take them off. No.
You're going to jail for public intoxication. All right? And resisting arrest, okay? There you go. Try to take a breath. Breather, okay?
Why are you doing this to me?
I gave it to Princess.
I know, but what?
No,
I'm a princess?
Are my other
Why
officers.
are you doing this to me?
I don't
Listen. I thought you were my friend.
I am your friend.
But why did you do this?
Let go.
Do you think I deserve
No,
this?
you don't.
No, but I'm scared.
Sit up. You're all right.
I'm scared.
Sit up.
Sit up, we're gonna get you seatbelted in.
Why are you doing this?
Sit up, please. You're all right.
Why don't you let me go? This isn't fair.
You're all right. Put your foot in here.
Why are you doing this to me?
42 or anything else?
Yeah.
I just wanted to go home.
Gotcha, you're gonna be fine.
No, you hear me? I just wanted to go home. This wasn't fair. This wasn't fair.
You'll be alright.
But what if this ruins my whole life?
It's not gonna ruin your life.
This isn't fair.
Just calm down.
What is your name?
Officer Goodwin.
Goodwin.
Yes, ma'am.
Goodwin.
Yes, ma'am. Just calm
Why
down.
did you do this? But I'm not. I didn't just look at my legs.
You kept fighting with us.
No. No, that person was mad because I wouldn't accept it. That gay person or whatever was pissed off because I wouldn't accept it. They said, "This is what you get." Listen, this wasn't fair.
Okay. We'll go check on you.
Listen.
Do you remember where you drank at today at the airport? By any chance?
At that like it was like that place who was there.
Right there by your gate?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Hey, me.
They've
Listen,
got
I don't
you.
want to be alone, please.
You're good. They've got you.
Listen, hey,
They've got you.
I
They've
don't
got
want to
you.
be alone,
You're
please.
fine.
I don't
They've
wanna
got
be-
you. They've
Listen,
got you.
Hey.
Under Tennessee Code Section 39-17-310, public intoxication applies when a person appears in a public place under the influence to a degree that may endanger themselves, others, or unreasonably annoys people in the vicinity. Loura screamed, charged toward officers, and, per the arrest affidavit, struck a Southwest Airlines employee, satisfying disorderly conduct under Tennessee Code Section 39-17-305, a Class C misdemeanor. As officers issued handcuffing commands, Loura pulled away, dropped her body weight to the floor, and attempted to punch an officer in the face, establishing resisting arrest under Section 39-16-602. Tennessee Code Section 39-16-602 explicitly states it is not a defense that the underlying arrest was unlawful. Here the arrest was entirely lawful. Probable cause under Illinois v. Gates was met. Graham v. Connor requires force be judged from a reasonable officer's perspective on scene. All three factors were present: severity of crime, Loura's attempted strike on an officer, and sustained resistance. Officers chose wheelchair transport rather than a forced march, a deliberate de-escalation decision. Inside the patrol vehicle, Loura unbuckled her seatbelt and kicked the door, necessitating leg restraints. At Davidson County Jail, Loura spat on an officer's arm, adding assault on a law enforcement officer to her 4 charges: public intoxication, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and the assault count. She was released from Davidson County Jail the following day. The final court disposition of all 4 charges has not been confirmed in publicly available records at the time this video analysis was produced and published. Nashville Airport. Officers receive a B+, composure maintained throughout a prolonged chaotic encounter, verbal de-escalation attempted first, and wheelchair transport chosen before resorting to a physical escort. Force applied was proportional under Graham v. Connor. Handcuffing, control holds, and leg restraints were each stepwise responses to escalating resistance, not preemptive force deployed ahead of the threat.
Once we get to the jail, before we process you... No, you're going to jail.
Go to jail, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You need to sit back. You need to sit back and act right, okay? Listen, if you keep acting out, you're not going to be able to get out until a long time.
You're not letting me out.
We're about to be there. Just try to relax, okay?
You're not letting me out.
Mess with my phone. Are you ready?
Let me get that. Let me get that off first.
Where's your key?
Take the seatbelt off.
Watch out.
Where'd you leave your shoe?
I mean, it's right there. She unbuckled herself as well.
Okay. Come on, stand up, step up.
Come on.
You're all right. So I don't want you to fall, okay?
No, but why am I in this situation? No.
Alright. Turn this way, please. Turn. No. Let's let her do it in there.
Where am I?
You're in jail.
Davidson. Yeah.
What is this?
Sit down.
Davidson County, Nashville. Clear shore. So you're gonna have to go to the airport to get your stuff when you get released, okay? You hear me?
What does that mean?
This bag is gonna...
I'm arrested, but how do I get released?
You have to bond out.
Yeah.
It's an easy process, they'll tell you. Okay?
But I've never even had a traffic ticket.
I understand,
But what is happening?
So you're going to jail for public intoxication, okay? Disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest, okay?
Okay. What are we basing this off of?
Off
That
of
lady?
Your actions in front of us. With us. Hi. Stop right here.
She was combative with us at the airport, but she's calmed down since, okay?
For the love of God.
You're alright. I just had to tell him.
You be pregnant?
Just listen to him, okay? Hold on, let me...
I'll remember your...
Hey, you look at me.
Kathleen Loura receives a D+. She struck an airline employee before officers arrived, attempted to punch an arresting officer, resisted handcuffing throughout, kicked the patrol vehicle, and spat at booking. Repeating, "I didn't do anything wrong," is not a legal defense to resisting arrest. Tennessee law does not permit physical obstruction of a lawful arrest, regardless of how a subject views their own conduct. The first lesson. Alcohol severely impairs judgment in high-stakes environments. Loura's intoxication transformed a denied boarding into 4 criminal charges, a physical arrest, and an overnight jail stay. The second lesson. Every act of resistance added a separate charge. Pulling away, dropping weight, striking an officer, kicking the door, spitting. Each was an independent crime compounding the original. For officers, this footage confirms that de-escalation and proportional force are not opposites. Staying calm, offering a wheelchair, escalating restraint only when necessary, that is the professional standard.